If you are planning to switch your career towards project management, then first you need to understand the roles and responsibilities of project manager and what exactly a project manager does. A project manager is considered as a superman of the project who is responsible for the success and failure of the project. The project manager owns the responsibility of moving the project forward through all stages of a project from the beginning till the end. There are 5 stages of a project which you need to focus on, starting from project initialization, planning, execution, monitoring and controlling, and closing. All critical matters also comes under the radar of a project manager. Therefore, this role requires great responsibility and accountability. There is no hard and fast rule when it comes to qualifications for a project manager. However, to delegate tasks and manage team, you need to have some analytical and organizational skills. Most companies prefer project managers based on their skill sets and abilities and the years of experience. However, some companies also prefer project managers based on their education. The most preferred degree in project management is bachelor's or master's in project management. However, there are certain other degrees as well, including business administration or business management. Now let's talk about some entry-level certifications which you can do without being a project manager. The first certification is called CAPM from PMI, which is called Certified Associate in Project Management. This certification requires minimum 1500 hours of work experience and a degree or diploma. Another certification which you can do is called Prince 2. Now you must be wondering why I have not mentioned PMI's PMP, which is Project Management Professional Certification. This certification requires minimum 3 years of work experience as a project manager. Therefore, we will talk about this certification in some other video. Now, since you want to become a project manager, let's talk about some of the skills you need to master on. The first one is communication. A project manager spends 90% of his time communicating. That's why it is very, very important for you to learn this skill. The second skill is task management. A project is full of tasks. Therefore, you need to know how to create tasks, manage tasks, delegate tasks to stay on top of your project. The third skill is critical thinking. Now, the other skills are team management skills, leadership skills, scheduling management, quality management, cost management, scope management, and negotiating. Project manager uses several tools to manage their project. There are several tools available in the market for managing the scope, schedule, resources, and the cost. Some of the tools available in the market are like Microsoft Project, Smartsheet, Trello, Jira, and Confluence. Alright, so now you know what are the qualifications and skill sets required for becoming a project manager. We have also seen some of the tools which a project manager uses. Now let's focus on some of the books which you can read to enhance your skills and knowledge. I would only mention 3 books to start with. The first one is Head First PMP by Andrew Stallman. The second one is PMBOK, which is Project Management Body of Knowledge. It's also known as the Bible of Project Managers. And the third one is PMP Exam Prep by Rita Mulcahy. I have mentioned the links of all the tools and the books mentioned in this video in the section given below. I hope you find the video useful. Please leave your comments or questions in the comment section given below. Thank you.